And this is the kind of the best view. Unfortunately, we didn't get faces.
Caleb Kenningsfeld wants you to take a good look at the truck in this picture.
But it's got a very distinct white hood right here.
The surveillance photo was taken at a construction site on Northeast 12th in Alberta.
We had a break-in on site.
Caleb is with Solterra, the real estate developer for the site. They want to catch whoever broke in Saturday afternoon and stole tools and equipment.
Yeah, so the vehicle is seen driving up right here. It blocks off this lock.
Security footage showed the red pickup stop at the entrance of the site.
Cut this chain right here at the job site entrance. They closed up the gate to not raise suspicion.
Then, several hours later, when it gets a bit darker, that same vehicle comes back. Two suspects entered the construction site, which Caleb says triggered an alarm to police and the owner.
When they noticed the owner coming on site, they booked it off. You could see him running away.
There was only some damage to a toolbox and police cleared the scene. But that wasn't the end of it. A couple of hours later, the thieves come back again.
Our security cameras show someone up on the second floor crawling around, and they were probably there for a couple hours. So they skirted past our security system.
This time, the thieves stole a bunch of tools and equipment.
Surveying equipment, they stole lasers, very expensive material overall.
Caleb and his crew estimate the thieves got away with up to $100,000 worth of equipment from the contractors working here.
I've got 8 guys that are coming to work and all of our tools were taken. Every single last tool. So it's kind of frustrating when you're coming to do work and provide, I guess, a livelihood for your family and you can't go to work.
Everyone rallied together and they've been working well, but I mean, it's definitely been chaotic. I mean, guys are literally doing 3 jobs with 1 drill kind of situation.
All they want to do now is spread awareness and catch these thieves.
It's personal, and these guys are still out there. It seems like they're hitting more job sites. We just don't want it to happen anymore. We would like some sort of justice to be done. If we can catch them, that's awesome.
Solterra filed a report with the Portland Police Bureau. The company will be offering a $2,500 reward for information that leads to the arrest and conviction of the suspects. Christelle Kumwe, KGW News.